Running a law firm is demanding. It requires juggling multiple matters, staying on top of client deadlines, and handling complex administrative tasks to keep your firm running smoothly. It doesn't have to be this way. What if you could streamline your workflows, reclaim your precious fee-earning time, and stay in control of your practice? Introducing Unity Practice Management from Dye & Durham, the all-in-one cloud-based practice management solution tailor-made for small and medium law firms in Australia to help manage your firm and your clients. With Unity Practice Management, you have a single firm-wide solution to help you quickly intake clients, automate workflows and routine tasks, and manage your practice end-to-end, all while remaining in control and compliant. You get extensive features to help you get the work done, the ability to customize to the needs of your firm, and a user-friendly experience. Designed to help you deliver exceptional legal service and drive operational excellence. Unity Practice Management offers everything you need to run your legal practice in one place, with the convenience to secure access from anywhere at any time, even on your mobile device. Get access to comprehensive commercial, property and personal information search and ID verification to make informed decisions, mitigate risks and stay compliant. Our powerful practice management with built-in trust accounting, integrated due diligence search, verification of identity and e-conveyancing capabilities provide significant value and better return on technology investment. With Unity Practice Management, you can focus on servicing your clients and fee earning, whilst our platform takes care of streamlining workflows, removing bottlenecks, and helping you stay in control. Our dedicated customer support team is here to help you get the most out of Unity Practice Management. We empower small and medium-sized legal and conveyancing firms with best-in-class practice management tools to effortlessly manage your law firm from intake to invoice. Talk to us today about Unity Practice Management. Your practice made perfect.